and with the support of you guys, I should be visiting more states in the country this year. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys to one of the ongoing legacy projects being embarked on by the Lagos State government. Mr. Governor paid a visit to the site in December 2023 to see the extent of construction that has been achieved so far on this project, as this is one of the projects expected to be completed in 2024.
Connect just constructed bridge on this side and another bridge.
That's the proper bridge. How about the other side? What's the
On another side we will also continue the second pipe to connect to the road. Not yet, we have some challenges with that.
So guys, follow me as we explore the current development on the Opebi-Maryland-Ojota link bridges and approach roads, as I will be showing an in-depth construction updates showcasing the remarkable progress made in connecting these key areas within the city and the level of construction achieved so far as at January 2024. The Opebi-Maryland-Ojota Link Bridge and Approach Road Construction Project is a pivotal initiative aimed at enhancing transportation infrastructure and connectivity within the bustling city of Lagos. This ambitious undertaking seeks to address traffic congestion, improve accessibility, and stimulate economic activities in these communities. The project encompasses the construction of strategically positioned bridge connecting Opebi, Maryland, and Ojota, along with the development of approach roads to ensure seamless integration within the existing road network. The envisioned link bridge is poised to become a vital conduit for vehicular movements, alleviating the burden of surrounding routes significantly, reducing travel time for commuters. One of the primary objectives of this project is to enhance urban mobility by creating a more efficient transportation network. The link bridge is designed to accommodate increased traffic volume, providing a smoother and faster transit experience for residents and businesses in this area. This anticipated improvement in accessibility is expected to have a positive cascading effect on the local economy. In addition to the bridge itself, the project places a great emphasis on the development of approach roads leading to and from the bridges. These roads will be designed to seamlessly integrate with the existing road infrastructure, facilitating a holistic solution to traffic congestion in this area. Pedestrian-friendly features such as walkways and crossing will also be incorporated to ensure the safety and convenience of all road users. The Opebi-Maryland-Ojota Link Bridge and Approach Road project represent a collaborative effort between government agencies, engineering firms, and stakeholders invested in the well-being and progress of the community. As construction progresses, it is expected to serve as a model of future urban development projects, showcasing the positive impact that well-planned infrastructure can have on a city's growth and prosperity. This project will stand as a testament to the commitment of the state government to enhance connectivity, reduce congestion, foster sustainable urban development. As the project nears completion, anticipation grows for the transformative impact it will have on the lives of residents and the overall development of the community. Now, let's take a walk on the construction site. I'll be walking from the Ojota end to the Maryland end of the road. So follow me as I take you along with me on this construction site. Presently, a lot of works is ongoing on the approach roads. All these places will be a major road when this project is completed. Now entering the main site, as you can see the Julius Berger logo, which is the contractors handling these projects. A lot of clearing and sand filling is presently being done on the road alignments.
road